Hi, in this video we are going to look at inequalities. To start with, we'll look at the symbols, which you've probably seen before. We've got greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. And the reason I have got the picture of the crocodile is because I still, even as an adult, I still think of the greedy crocodile eating the bigger number. So the bigger number is by the wider end of the inequality. So for GCSE, you might be asked to solve inequalities, and they can be solved in a similar way to equations. The only difference is that when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you need to reverse, so flip round the inequality sign, and we'll come on to an example of that shortly. So, example 1. Solve 4x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 6. So the first thing we do is we add 2 onto both sides, which gives us 6 plus 2 on the right-hand side, which is the same as 8, just as if we were solving a normal linear equation. Then we divide both sides by 4. So the answer to this inequality is x is greater than or equal to 2. And that's the final answer, we leave it there. The next one. So first step this time is adding 2 onto both sides. So we get rid of the 2 from the left-hand side and add it onto the right-hand side, which gives us 2x is less than 12. If we divide through by 2, we get x is less than 6. And this one, 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to 9. So for this one, I have taken 3 off of both sides to start with. So I've got minus 2x is greater than or equal to 6. And now, because I'm going to divide through by minus 2 to get the x on its own, I've flipped the inequality round. So now it's less than or equal to. So now you can see that x is less than or equal to minus 3. The other type of question you might come across with inequalities is representing them on a number line. So if you see something like this, if you have an open circle like we do in this question, it means that the number is not included. So here the number 6 is not included. If you have a solid circle, it means that you do include that number. So it would be, for example, here it is, x is less than 6, not including 6. If it was a solid circle, it would be x is less than or equal to 6. And because there's an arrow, because the arrow carries on to the left, it means that x can be any number that is less than 6. This next one is going the other way. The arrow is going to the right. So in this one, it means x can be any number bigger than or including minus 4, because the circle is solid. This one is a little bit different because there's no arrows, but this time we've got a section in between two numbers that x can take. And because this is a solid, the minus 4 has got a solid circle, x is greater than or equal to minus 4. And because there is a hollow circle for next to 2, x is less than 2. And so we write it in this format. And the integers, the whole numbers that satisfy this inequality, are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, but not 2. Well done.